Number 1.
1990 Ford F150, price $6,500, with only 95,000 original miles on the odometer. It features a smooth shifting automatic transmission and is powered by a durable inline-six engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has recently had a new clutch installed, ensuring excellent performance and drivability. This F-150 runs and drives like new, making it perfect for highway use or any road trip. The exterior is painted in a clean off-white color, while the interior boasts a bold red finish that adds a touch of character and style. In terms of condition, the truck is in outstanding shape with no rust, which is a rare find for a vehicle of this age. The truck sits on new tires, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. It is a two-wheel drive model, making it an excellent choice for everyday driving or light-duty work. The truck runs on gasoline, and it comes with a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner.
Number 2.
1979 GMC Sierra, price $10,000. It has traveled 54,000 miles and is powered by gasoline. It features a manual transmission, a white exterior, and a blue interior.
The truck runs well, with nice, straight body lines. The paint and interior are in fairly good condition, though there are minor dings and some small rust spots along the body.
The bed interior has rust and missing paint. The seller believes that the odometer may not be accurate, likely having rolled over. The truck comes with a toolbox in the bed, and the middle piece of the steering wheel horn cover is also included. However, the truck does have some known issues. The horn doesn't work, the parking brake is inoperable, and the ability to switch between gas tanks is malfunctioning, meaning only one tank is functional at the moment. Additionally, the speedometer tends to become unreliable at speeds above 55 miles per hour.
Number 3.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800. This is a remarkable example of a well-maintained rust-free truck. It is in outstanding condition, with a body that remains very straight and clean, showing no signs of rust or major wear. The truck runs, drives, and shifts smoothly, showcasing its reliability and the care it has received over the years. Having been used as a daily driver, it has been consistently maintained, ensuring it continues to perform at a high level.
The tires are like new, providing excellent traction and stability.
With 237,000 miles on the odometer, this Chevrolet still delivers strong performance, a testament to its durability and the attention it has received. Whether for daily use or as a dependable workhorse, this truck remains a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and well-preserved vehicle.
Number 4.
1996 GMC Sierra 3500, price $7,500. With a strong 7.4L 454 V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. Finished in red with a gray interior, it has covered 193,000 miles and was previously used as a work truck. The front end was rebuilt approximately 4 years ago, and it has received several recent maintenance upgrades, including new brakes on both the front and rear, new U-joints on the driveshaft, and new front tires with less than 100 miles on them. The rear tires remain in good condition, and the truck is equipped with rear suspension airbags to support heavy loads. While the truck runs well and continues to perform reliably, the bed has been cut to accommodate work-related equipment, reflecting its past as a purpose-built utility vehicle. Despite its age and prior use, the Sierra 3500 remains a strong candidate for continued work duty or for someone seeking a rugged platform to restore or customize.
Number 5.
1982 Ford F150, price $10,000, equipped with the reliable 351 Windsor V8 engine paired to a 4-speed manual transmission. With only 75,000 miles on the odometer, it runs strong and performs exceptionally well for its age. Finished in white with a matching clean interior, it offers the rugged simplicity that enthusiasts appreciate in an early 80s workhorse. Though it drives well, there are a few areas that need attention. The rear main seal has a minor leak, about a drop per day, and the truck could benefit from a new oil pan. The power steering system appears to have a leak as well, but it continues to function perfectly. Additionally, the wiring for the rear lights needs to be completed. However, all front lights are in working condition.
Number 6.
1982 Ford F350, price $6,900, finished in tan both inside and out. It retains a clean and solid appearance with virtually no rust on the body or frame, an impressive feat for a vehicle of this vintage. The truck has only 86,000 original miles on it, verified by the original owner from whom it was purchased. It comes with a clean green title and has been well cared for throughout its life. Under the hood, it features a newer 7.5L V8 460 gasoline engine with fewer than 5,000 miles on it, offering strong and reliable performance.
The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, making it easy to drive despite its heavy-duty build.
A number of new parts have recently been installed, including a brand new carburetor, a new fuel pump, and 2 brand new Duracell batteries with a 3-year warranty. While the truck runs and drives, it still needs a few finishing touches. The carburetor requires proper tuning, as it currently idles a bit lower than it should. Additionally, the alternator belt still needs to be installed.
Number 7.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, with 206,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title. It features a V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's currently finished in a pink exterior wrap with a matching interior. The current owner has had the truck for 4 years, but is now ready for a change. The vehicle has been lowered properly, with no cuts made to the bed during the process, ensuring structural integrity. It also comes equipped with a high-quality sound system, including subwoofers, and has received a professional Rhino bed liner for added durability and utility.
The pink wrap is not permanent, and photos of the original paint are available for reference.
The registration tags are up to date, and the truck runs great. It will also be sold with a set of LT stock wheels included.
Number 8. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,200, featuring an extended cab with a unique 3-door configuration and a short bed. Finished in gray, it's powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has 191,000 miles on the odometer and is currently being used as a daily driver, so the mileage will continue to increase over time. Despite its age and mileage, the Sierra runs and drives just as it should, delivering consistent performance on and off the road. It has been upgraded with both a suspension lift and a body lift, giving it a more aggressive stance and increased ground clearance, ideal for off-road adventures or a more commanding presence on the street. The combination of its solid drivetrain, dependable 4-wheel drive system, and classic OBS styling makes it a great option for anyone looking for a capable and rugged truck with character. Number 9.
1981 Ford F100, price $5,500, powered by the reliable 300 cubic inch straight-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the column. The truck features manual steering and manual disc brakes, maintaining its original, no-frills driving experience. It runs great and comes equipped with several recent upgrades, including new tires, a new fuel tank, a new fuel pump, and new belts. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior sports a blue color scheme. The truck has traveled approximately 100,000 miles and retains a clean title. There is some rust visible on the backside of the hood, and the bed floor shows surface rust, but there is no rust through.
Number 10. 1985 GMC 2500, price $4,500, with only 79,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission and a bold red exterior that gives it a timeless, rugged appeal. The truck starts right up and runs exceptionally well, reflecting the care it has received from its current owner. Several important updates have been made to improve its reliability and appearance. The bed has been freshly painted, the coolant reservoir has been replaced, and a new driveline carrier bearing has been installed. It also has a new front windshield, freshly painted wheels, and new front brakes. Additionally, the front sway bar link kit has been replaced, and a new seat cover adds a touch of comfort to the interior. The only area that still needs attention is the tailgate, which is currently secured with a rope. It will require proper hardware and a latch to be fully functional. Aside from that, this truck is in great shape and ready to be enjoyed.